Math time. All right, we're still on chapter 5, lesson 5. Just on to the next page, so follow along. All right, divisibility. You can use divisibility rules to help tell whether a number is prime or composite. If a number is divisible by any number other than 1 and itself, then the number is composite. So tell whether 51 is prime or composite. Now, basically they're trying to teach us a way to find out more quickly. So of course I could go through and try to find all the factors of 51, but you can check, because if it's divisible by any number other than 1 in itself, then of course it's composite. So we don't necessarily have to check every single number. So tell whether 51 is prime or composite. Well, is 51 divisible by 2? Well, remember our divisibility rules. We look at the ones place. There's a 1. There's not a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, so no. Is 51 divisible by 3? Well, remember our divisibility rules. That's why in that video I said how important it is to remember these. 5 plus 1 equals 6, and 3 can go into 6. So I know 3 will also go into 51. So 51 I know has to be composite. Again, I could find all those different factors of 51 to solve this problem, but this is a much quicker way to tell if a number is prime or composite. Okay. All right, let's look down here at the next one, number 1. Use the grid to model the factors of 18. And then tell whether it's prime or composite. Well, already using this trick up here, we know that 18 is going to be composite. We know that because it's got an 8 in the ones place, and our divisibility rule tells us if that a number has a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place, then 2 is divisible by it. So we already know that it's composite. So we can write that in right now. But we are not done, because this problem actually asked us to do a little bit more than just tell if it's prime or composite. It also asks us to use the grid to model the factors of 18. So I'm going to do that now. I can do 1 by 18. Hopefully there's enough space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yay! So that I could do 1 by 18. Okay, I can do 2 by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I could do 2 by 9. Let's see, any other ways? 3. Will 3 work? Well, let's count by our 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Yep, 3 will work. 3 by what? Well, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that was 3 by 6. That will also give us 18. Let's see, are there any other ways? What about 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Nope. What about 5? 5, 10, 15, 20. No. 6. Yep. 6, but I already got it, so that tells me I'm done. So now it also wants me to list the factors. I'm going to do it in numerical order. So here are my factors. And in number order, be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. All right. Now I do want to point this out real quick, this little box. The number 1 is considered neither prime nor composite, meaning neither one. Since it only has one factor, 1, because the only way to get the number 1 is to do 1 times 1. And remember, when you're listing factors, you don't have to write a number twice. Like 3 times 3, you only write the 3 once when listing the factors. So 1 only has one factor, which is 1. So it's neither prime nor composite. I guess that may be why they call it the loneliest number. Alright, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Focus, attitude, initiative, listen carefully.